Hello everybody, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, your upstate's Bennington dealer. Today I'm going to show you this 2021 Bennington 20 SLV. If you're not familiar with the SLV series, this is Bennington's kind of value price point boat, but not skimping on features and amenities. Really nice boat, loaded out with all the options you'd want in a premium class. This boat is going to have a 90 horsepower Mercury engine mounted to the back with a ski tow bar. We just got this one in, so it's not quite 100% together yet, but really excited about it, so I wanted to go ahead and get the pictures and video up online. Nice woven vinyl flooring, no carpet. Beautiful silver interior. It's got the Syntex upholstery to it as well. Portable, removable cup holders there. Two nice long benches. Wraparound L-shaped seat. Upgraded captain's chair. Here's your console. Bluetooth stereo. This boat's going to come with a full boat cover like you see pictured on the boat beside us, and a 10-foot long bimini top. Removable table there as well. Really looking forward to showing you guys this boat, so please come on out to the dealership. We've got one inside as well. We're open Tuesday through Saturday, 9 to 5. Or give us a call at 864-236-9005.